What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Augusto, back at it with another install video like I promised you guys last week's video. If you haven't watched that video, please do feel free to click on one of these sides right here for the card for you guys to be updated on the videos that will be upcoming in the next couple weeks. I just received a bunch of parts for Ronnie, Project Ronnie. If you do not know who she is, what she is, please do feel free to go follow RIGHTFUL on Instagram. Or if not, just follow the family on Fantasy Lifestyle right here. I hope this Instagram reached at least, let's say, what, 500 by the end of the year? I know we all could do it. So with all that being said, guys, before I actually go into depth with the video, I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you guys that have been supporting recently. You have been helping this channel grow by far, and we appreciate that so much. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do feel free to do so. And like this video. With all that being said, guys, we're gonna go pick up Ronnie right now. I got her detailed this morning, so we'll catch you guys at Fine Line Auto Detailing. If not, we'll catch you guys when you get to the spot, because in today's video we're actually gonna start installing a front license plate relocator. Dang, that's a mouthful. We'll catch you guys on the next clip. Peace. And just like I said, guys, we're gonna go pick up Ronnie. Like I said, also follow Ronnie on Ronnie Direct on Instagram. Fine Line Auto Detailing. Shout out to Tommy out here. Phenomenal work. Always keeping it right. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Something's gonna change right here pretty soon. Stay tuned in this video. Boom. Alrighty, guys, so as far as right now, we just got here to our mechanics' shop right now. We're gonna install this Perrin relocator kit, as I said in the previous clip. If you guys have seen other videos, you guys can watch that, but this is just going to be another how-to video. Let's do an unboxing right now. In this kit, you will get this. People read it, people don't. And then the build quality is very nice. It comes with washers and everything like that. Nuts and bolts and anti-seize, which is pretty cool. They give you a little bit of their merch for you to help them promote their brand. I might rock it, I might not. Fantasy Lifestyle all the way. And obviously they give you stickers. And last but not least, you get this right here. This is, what is this called? We would just call this a shaft. This comes with it. Now there's a confusion. 2018 and above apparently has to have the part number that ends with a 205, where this would also fit the BRZs and FRSs. 2017 and below, which is like between 2015 and 2017, is where you're gonna have to get the 202s or 202F, depending if you have a front mount intercooler. So with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we'll start twisting some stuff. Catch you guys on the next clip. All right, so Michael right here is gonna start popping. What is this? Like the tow hook tow hook cover with the screwdriver, flathead. He's using the microfiber just to basically prevent the other parts of it scratching. So with that being said, this right here is gonna hang. Or the other thing you could also do is you could pinch. What I heard was you could pinch this somehow, some way, and feed it through. I don't know how. We'll get back to you guys as soon as we get that done. So this right here, this little plastic piece, don't mind the shininess of my finger. That's my sweat. It's very hot in Sacramento today. So there's 3 prongs that look like this. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna squeeze them together and put them through this hole in order for you to do like so. And it's off. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, so here's a more laid out look. This is the back piece. What'd you call this, a bracket?
Yeah, the bracket.
This is the bracket for the license plate, obviously. You have all the hardware here. It comes with an Allen wrench in order for you to, I'm assuming, install the bolts onto your plate number. God damn it, I can't talk right now. There goes the shaft over there, and like I was talking about in the last clip, there's your anti-seize, which we are going to be putting on this end right here. Oh, right here. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put that thing in there. It's very dark only because my car is actually black too. So here we go. We're gonna go become legal now. Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna put anti-seize on this just in case if Sacramento starts snowing, which probably would never happen. But I don't know how much I'm gonna have to put on this, but I'm just gonna cake it on here. All the threads, covering all the threads, guys. This is the goal right here. Get yourself a glove because you know you always want to be protected, and that's the goal here. No unexpected babies over here on Fantasy Lifestyle Channel.
It's gonna ooze a little when you put it in.
That's what she said. Alright guys, as far as right now, it's all lubricated. We didn't want to just overflow it because we didn't want to ooze it out when we put it in. We're going to put it into this hole. It's very big, but it's this one inside. So here we go. Please excuse my big head. It's in. We're twisting it nice and subtle, and we'll keep you guys updated as soon as we get this in correctly. Alright guys, so we were doing a bunch of finagling over here, and we figured out that this thing right here is going to be a 19mm, and then we're going to try to tighten it down a bit. Remember, do not tighten it too much because you might mess up your thread. So keep in mind. We'll go ahead and tighten this up, and then we'll update you guys on the next step. Alright guys, so this next step right here, you might not, based off the instructions over here, it doesn't tell you which way to put it. Basically what Michael said is just set it to the point where it won't touch your car. Now based off this right here, it seems as if it's very close. That's why they give you multiple washers. I don't know if you guys can see that. So based off the instructions, this is what we're gonna have to do. You put one right there. See that? Next, you put it through the thing right here, and you put all of the other ones behind it. So that's that finished product right there, boys and girls, dudes and dudettes. Let me go ahead and just tighten that just a bit, and then you could be more meticulous about it and have a level right here to see if it's level or not. If not, just leave it as is. Use your eyes to see if it's even or not. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. Let's see if it's level. Oh dang, that's tight. Whoa. Whoa.
Power tools, man.
There it is. There it is. Oh. There it is. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Perrin front license plate relocator, finally installed here. This adds about 15 horsepower, so be careful if you see me because I'm fast as hell now. If you guys ever do question this, if you guys do buy it online, I bought this on Rally Sport Direct. When it comes to you, their manual literally says Perrin relocator kit for BRZ, FRS, 86, and 2018 above for WRX. Like I said, the 205 will be for the 2018 and up. 202 and 202F for their part numbers are going to be for the 2015 through 2017. If you guys have any other questions, please do feel free to comment down below. But like I said, this is going to be the finished product right here. I had to put a piece of paper here for privacy reasons, and yeah. Like always guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys see on the next video, it's going to be the same exact shirt. Do not judge me because we're trying to grind this out for you guys. Next update will be another install video for next week. So stay tuned for next week's video. And as far as right now, like always, stay positive and be awesome. Keep driving guys. Peace.